Barlachila top, which is the highest pass, had 25 kilometers bad stretches, which in the last 1 year we have now made surfaced. Now it's a blacktop surface, and thousands of vehicles have moved along this road. 33,000 vehicles have moved in this season from Barlachila Pass. Now, the economy of this complete region depends on when we open this Rohtang Pass, where the temperatures goes up to minus 35 degrees centigrade. Barlachila, from where our army convoys have to pass, has a temperature up to minus 40 degree temperature. We require very brave peoples in this area to work, because you have to accept the challenge of the nature.
What is the priority of this road?
Priority of this road, especially in the last 2 years, has assumed great significance, because this is the alternative route to the Leh region for our army. And since last 2 years, lot of army convoys have moved successfully in this area, and all VVIP are highly impressed, and there is a proposal to declare this road as a priority 1 road, so that complete Leh region can be looked after, and the army needs in the complete northern region can be looked from this side.
In snow clearance, tell me a little bit about snow clearance. How it gets, how much feet snow is there, and
Snow clearance, as you know, the word itself is a very difficult operation, where you have to work in temperatures, sub-zero temperatures. Now the first Rohtang Pass comes from Manali, where up to 70 to 80 feet of snowfall is there. And we have got one place known as Rani Nala, where approximately 100 feet snow clearance has been done this year. And then the second pass is Barlachila Pass, where again we have cleared 95 feet of snow.
what kind of machines do you use, machine and man?
We have got two types of snow clearance machine. One is Rollba, which is a Austrian machine, and the other is Smith, which is a German machine. The output of this machine, German machine, is higher than that of the Austrian machine, that is Rollba. And these are air-conditioned machines and very useful.
So people are also working at that time?
Yes, our people has to work along with these machines, because without, they are to the person who are to bring the fuel for them, kerosene for them, for their Adam sport, like their bedding, like their eatable things, giving them tea, and other maintenance of the machines.
Tell us about the snow clearance, about how much snow falls here, how difficult it is to...
That's right.
Please go on.
As you know, the snow clearance operation is done under sub-zero temperatures. It is one of the most difficult operation. We start from 3 sectors. Firstly, sector is from Manali to Rohtang. One team starts with dozers and the German machine Smith. And the second team from Stingri toward Rohtang, along with the dozer and this German machine Smith. Third team starts from Stingri towards Barlachila. Again, it has got Rollba, the Austrian machines, and it has got DAT dozers. As and when we start from Manali, the tourist keeps on following us. They are highly thrilled. They want to see the operation. They tell us to do the operation. Then the locals are thrilled. They say we should be allowed to go as far as possible, so that they can come to this region and do the preliminary work for the agriculture, for the potatoes which are to be sown. And that way, this year, we opened Rohtang Pass in a record time on 30th of May, 25 days earlier than last year. The route to Leh was open 1 month earlier. That was our convoy, military convoy, could go 1 month earlier. Instead of 1st August, it went on 1st July. That way, the snow clearance was very successful. 17th of June, we had opened this Manali Sarchi Road up to Leh.
That's it, I guess.